Hello guys, I would like to welcome you all to Gamaka's AI Tech Private Limited channel. So guys, today we will actually cover up an analysis project. So guys, we are going to see how project management analysis can be done. Okay, so let me first show you my data set. So here I store it. Yeah, as you can see, the data set contains the project name column, which is the different project names are contained here. Okay, and the project description means the project details, then the project type like income generation, process improvement, work capital improvement, and cost reduction, like that. And there are the different department also, means the project belongs from which department, like admin and BI, e-commerce, warehouse, sales and marketing, like that. And here is I have a project cost also, and like project benefits also. Then the status, the means the project are in which status, like in progress, cancel, completion, or in hold. And there are the completion percentage also guys, like 77, 80. It's more than the 60% as I know. Then there is a phases, like the project are in which phase, like implement phase or a develop phase or measure or explore or a plan phase. Okay. And last column is on the year, means the project belongs from which year and how it's going through. Okay. So without wasting the time guys, let connect our database dataset with Power BI. So I just open my Power BI here and I click on the get data and I select the text/CSV. So why I'm selecting the text/CSV guys, just a minute. When I see my dataset properties here, then I got the Microsoft Excel comma separated value file.csv. So that's why I'm selecting the CSV, because this is a CSV file, right? So let's go here in Power BI and just select the text/CSV. I will select my data set and just open. Yeah, guys, it will take some time to load. Yeah, it's done. If you think your data is not clean or not well organized, then you can hit on the transform data and alter or modify data with according to your requirements. Okay, otherwise you think your data is clean and neat, then you can directly load it here. It takes some time guys. Yeah, it's already loaded. You can see the columns are visible here guys. You see this submission sign. The submission sign identify that the column data is in a continuous data. Okay, and the without submission column is a categorical data. So continuous data means which is in a numerical form, and the categorical data which is in categorical form. Okay, so guys, first before doing the visualization, we have to define the task, means what we have to visualize and what the requirements are given by the end user. Okay, so for that, for example, I have to visualize total project by project type in particular department. Okay, so for visualizing that, I can use the bar chart also or a column chart also. Let's use the column chart guys. Okay, so I just drag it here and expand it. Yeah, it's good now. Then I just put the project type in the x-axis and the project name in the y-axis. Yeah, it takes some time guys to visualized. Yeah, as you can see, this visualization are complete. So here it is given something by making graph, right? But I would like to find out the distinct count. So for that, I just click this arrow and just click on the distinct count. Okay, so if you see, all the records are unique. Okay, so guys, there are the first task. This is our first task. So in this way, we understand the overall here. So guys, I want to do much more formatting. So I just click here. Here is a button like format for visualization. So I just come to the x-axis and I here give size as a 15. Then the font as a Cambria, as it here, and I make it a bold and I change its color as a totally black. Yeah, as you see, there is some missing values, but we will solve it later. Okay, so then after that I just come down and I find the title. So here also I just change the title size is 25, then the font as a Cambria, and color as a black bold, okay, and make it bold as well. Now you can see guys, this missing data are completed, okay. After completing this, I'll come to the y-axis, and in a y-axis also I just change the values, like I will make it at 20, then the font as a Cambria, color as a black, and I make it as a bold as well, okay. So then I just came to down here to the title. For making, I'm making this formatting to look a visualization more attractive and the more informative. That is my purpose only. So I just put the title is here as like a total project. As we discussed and finalized that before, that we identify the total project by project type in particular department, right? So that's why I'm just doing that. If you want, I just change that font also. It's I just make it at 25. It's a bit more bigger, and we just use always as a Cambria. So guys, the font of a Cambria we used in our all the entire visualizations, right? Okay. So I just make it its color like black as well. Then if you want to add the grid lines, guys, you can also add the grid lines. As you can see in the visualization, the small dotted lines are visible here. If you decrease your brightness or anything of a screen, then you can visualize that, okay. So after that guys, I just come to the data label, and here yeah guys, as you can see the data label is already on. I just make it on because it's off. So I just change its value as well. For I just came to into the value, and I'll just make it as a 20, and font as a Cambria, and color as a black, okay. And I make it as a bold as well because it looks great. Then I just came, yeah, this visualization has completed guys. As you can see, the visualization looks attractive, but I want to make this title as change to title as well. So I just come to the general, I just go to the title, and I type here as a total project. I just delete it off also, and I just type the total project name by project type, okay. So I just make it as a change also, like I just give it as a 25, the font as a Cambria, and as a bold as well, and I make it as a totally black. Guys, if you want, you can give the background color also. So I just give this a gray, and I swap it at the center, okay. Now it's look great. As you can see, it's look great, okay. So guys, if you want, you can give the border as well. So for that I have to come to the effects. So where is, yeah, so I have to come to the effects, then there is a visual border option, so just on it. As then you can see there is a border as displayed over here, as you can see, okay. So guys, what to do here is like, I want to select the department now. After selecting the department, what should happen here is the data regarding should be shown here, right, okay. Means whenever I select the department, the entire graph will have to be changed, okay. So for that I am going to select the slicer here. So here is the slicer. Yeah, I just drag it a little bit down, so it yeah, I just add the slicer here. Then I just drag it, expand it to looks with little bit more visible. So just wait guys, I just expand it over here. So for that I just I make it at a column size only, so it's look nice. Yeah, nice, look great. So I just drag the department and I add it to the field. Okay, after that I just go to the slicer setting. After that guys, slicer I just add it to the filter. Okay, and I just go to the advanced setting, guys. Yeah guys, as you can see, I just add the slicer over here. I just make it a little bit down and I just cut it to visualize my slicer over here, and I just yeah, it looks better. So guys, now I just do some formatting over here. I just go to the slicer setting, and if you want to delete this title head, so just off it. And after that guys, just go to the general and just go to the effects, and I just make it color as a gray. So it looks different, so I just keep it as a black only. Okay, I just go back to the visualization. I just clicked on slicer settings and I do it as a tile. Okay, so guys, the tile is looking good. So we just drag it over here and just I select the single select. I just off it, and there are slicer header. Yeah, the slicer header is just I make it on, and I don't require the slicer header because I just already deleted it. I just go to the values, and in values I just make it as a 20, and after that I'll make it as a Cambria. Okay, and after I make it bold, and the color is totally black. Okay, so I just give them as a border also. So border on the entire border. So I just background, I just keep the background as well. So as you can see guys, if I change my graph according to a department, it's already visualized guys. Okay, as you can see, and you can see the border is already visible here, right? So now I am give the border it's well. So I am coming inside the effects. So guys, for that I just go to the general, I go to the effects, and I just on the border, as I told that border is already here. As you can see, I am selecting the admin and BI. So all the projects with are being showing here. Okay, so it's showing the project which is based on the department selection, like e-commerce, then sales and marketing, supply chain, warehouse. I just make it a little bit a dragger also, so it looks better. Yeah, it's fine. Now it looks better. Yeah, it looks better now. When I selected the admin, then e-commerce, then sales, then supply chains, that you can see the graph already changes according to there. Okay, so for the I want to change the column colors also guys, according to their quantity, like 10, 5 according to there. So I just want to go to the general, and I will go to just in so guys, as I told, I have to change the column colors here. So I just go to the columns, then I just make it a modify conditional formatting. I just have to click FX. It's known as a conditional formatting. Okay, so I just clicked here, and in the formatting style I just type as a gradient, and as you can see, the lower result looks like a bluish, and the higher is looks like a dark blue, and the lower is a light blue. And just I click hit OK. So when I just click hit OK guys, as you can see, the graphs color are already changed. When I just change its requirement admin and BI, e-commerce, sales and marketing, supply chain, then the colors are already changing guys, because I just use as a conditional formatting. As you can see, the scale is also visible here. So guys, our first task are get completed. I just happy to show that the first task are completed guys. So let's move to the second task. For that So let's move to the second task, guys. Before moving to second task, as you can see, I changed my task name. I put it as a total project by project type in a particular department, as I discussed previously only. Okay, so guys, let's move to the second task. Here I just click the plus button over here, and you can see this new canvas get open. In the second task, where we can do, now we can show top 10 projects with each department where the project cost has been charged more, where the project cost is the little higher according to the cost, means related to the others. Okay, so for that you can select as a column chart, bar chart also, or as a column chart also. This both are the best visualization for this task. But for this task I want to use the axis-less visualization. So what is meant by axis-less visualization, guys? The axis-less visualization means if you come to the previous task, you can see here is the axis contains the total project and the project type. Okay, so what is happening? The y-axis contains the total project name, and the x-axis contains the total project type. Okay, so axis length means there is no modification required in the axes, in the x-axis or y-axis. So for doing the axis less visualization, I just use the tree map over here. I just make it bigger little bit, and yeah, here. So for fulfilling this task, guys, as I said previously, I want to see top 10 companies according to their project cost. Okay, so for that I just drag this project name in the category and the project cost in the values. Okay, so why did we drag here? Because I want to see cost wise, so that I drag it here in the values. Okay, so as you can see, it's showing me all the company's details, but I have to see only the top 10. So for this what I should do, I just so overall the project are being shown, but I want to show only the top 10. As I said previously, I want to show them. I am dragging this drop to the project name. So I just click here to the filters. I just go to the filters and I just drag the project name over here, as you can see, and I just select the top N. And the top N, I get the 10 because I have to see only the top 10 visualizations. Okay, and the project cost in the by value. Yeah, when I hit the apply filter, you can see it's given me the top 10 visualizations according to their project cost. Okay, guys. Yeah, after clicking apply, as this visualization are get okay. So I'm just doing some little bit of formatting over here also. I change its colors because it looks very difficult. Yeah, so I just use as a gradient the project according to color. I want color according to the project cost, and I make it as a light purple for the minimum and the dark purple for the maximum. Okay, when I click the OK button, you can see the color are get changed over here according to their availability. Okay, guys, I just do little bit more formatting over here. I just switch on the data labels, and in the value I make it as a 15. Okay, I make it a 15 over here, or you can say I make it a 20. Okay, guys, let's make it as a 15 only. After that I just make it as a Cambria. As I told before, we use the Cambria in the total over here, and I make it a completely black. I'll keep it white only because it looks in white as well. And then the categorical label, I just don't do anything over here, and I just go to the title over here, and in the title I just change its name. I just change the name is a top 10 projects by project cost. Okay, I just change it here and I make it as a little bit you can say as a 25, and I make it as a Cambria, as a bold, and we use the all the formattings which we used previously and make it as a gray colors as well. Okay, and I make it align on the center. What happens, guys? I think oh sorry, the text color I have to change it as a black because it not be visible over here. Okay, so I think the visualizations are done with here only, guys. And in the data label format, I just scroll down, and in the categorical label I just also change this categorical size also as well. I make it as a 20. Oh, it's bigger than font. I make it as a 15 as well, and I make it as a Cambria. I forgot to change the categorical labels, guys, sorry. And I make it as, keep it as a white only because it suits on the purple color. Okay, I just drag it over here and little bit down so it looks great, guys. So guys, I want to do the same task before which I do on the before previous task as well, previous visualization. I want to select the department over here. According to the department, the tree map will be changed, their colors and their sizes. Okay, so I'm not doing the completely process, guys, to selecting the slicer over here and do the formatting. I just go to the previous task and I just copy this visualization. I just right click over here, copy it, and the copy visualization. Okay, I just come back to my current visualization and I just press Ctrl plus V to paste it here, and I just synchronize it. I adjust this little bit according to the tail. Yeah, as you can see, guys, the visualization are done. If I click on the admin, it shows me the according to the admin and Power BI. According to the admin and Power BI, show me the top 10 companies of and when I click on the e-commerce, it's showing me the top 10 e-commerce companies. Then when I click on the sales and marketing, it shows me the top 10 companies in the sales and marketing. Okay, so as you can see, guys, our second visualization has also get completed. So for this I will change its name as well, so I can give the name as a top 10 projects by project cost in particular department. Okay, so I just hit enter, guys, over here, and after, so guys, our second visualization is also get completed. So let's move forward, guys. So I just click once again and the plus sign, and here as you can see the new canvas are get opened, guys. So what I can do in this visualization, guys, so guys, in this visualization I am coming right then the next some more tasks. Okay, also I have show like status wise. I would like to show here how many projects are coming here in a particular status. Okay, so when you come here, means when you come here in the table visualization, just drag it over, right? Yeah, when you see the status, I want to see. So when you come here and drag to see it, then here you will be able to see status of how many projects are according to there. So I just click on the here the arrow button, guys. So it show me there is only the cancel, complete, in progress and in hold. There is only the 4 status, guys. Okay, so for this we can going to use the, so I would so we can use the donut chart over here, guys. Sorry for disturbance. So we can use the donut chart over here because there is only 4 visualization. The donut chart, so it's a very good visualization to show the minimum data like the status. Yeah, okay, so we just drag it over here and make it a little bit more. I just drag the status onto the legends and the project name into the values. Okay, as you can see, guys, our visualization are completed. So I just do some little bit of formatting over here. I just go to the data labels over here and I just drag down. I just clicked on the values. I just make it as a, I can say it's a 20. No, it looks bigger, so I just make it as a 15. Yeah, it looks great now. I make it a bold, completely black, and the font as a Cambria. Yeah, now it looks better, guys. I just drag a little. Yeah, after completing the details labels, I just go to the legend and I do some formatting over here as well. I select that the text, and in the text I will make it as a 18. I think, guys, the 18 is good. 18 is okay, guys, no issue. And make it as a Cambria, the bold, and completely black. Okay, so guys, till now we have covered up and some such task, right? So now I go to its title. Guys. So I just, so for this title, I just go here and I change this title name. So I just put here the total project by particulars status. Okay, I just click enter. I just make it as a 25 and it is a Cambria, the bold, and a completely black. I give it as a background color also, guys. I just give it as a grayish and align it on a center. Okay, so guys, I completed this task, the total project practical status here. So I did all the formatting over here. Yeah, guys, our third visualization is also get completed. I just change the name here as well. I put it as a total, as like the title name, project by particular status. Okay, I just hit enter. As you can see, guys, our third visualization has also get completed. Now, okay, guys, I am coming to my next task. So guys, now I have to show here how much project costs are giving annually and how much benefits are getting from it, right? So showing for this, I am going to use the line chart, which is here. I just select it and I drag it a little bit, complete the canvas, because it's a line chart, so I want to look at little more attractive. So basically we use the line chart to show change over time. That's why I'm going to drag it here and select it. Yeah, so for showing or complete or fulfilling our tasks, I just drag our year in the x-axis and the project cost in the y-axis. Okay, so after completing that, so as you can see here is showing the sum of a project cost. Okay, so for showing how much benefits coming from it, so I just drag the project benefit in the secondary axis, as you can see here. So I just change its name little bit. So I just change its total project benefits, and it's a spelling mistake, guys. Total project benefits, and here is I can change the total project cost. Okay, now it looks great. Yeah, before doing the extra formatting, guys, I use one shortcut to do it. Okay, I just go back to my first visualization, which is here. I just select this column chart by clicking by left click, and I just click on the format painter. So this format painter copy all this modifications and all that formatting. So I just come back to my current page, and I just only left click here. So guys, you can see all the fonts, all the text colors, and all the formatting are changed by our first visualization. Okay, so it's a little bit time consuming and a shortcut method, guys. So you can do it in multiple visualizations as well. So moving further, guys, so I just came back in the formatting section, and I just came here in the legends, and in the legend, in the text, I just make it as a 15 over here, and I make it as a Cambria, totally black, and a bold. Okay, so as you can see, guys, the legends are get completed. So guys, this is my line. So I want it a little smoother. So that can I do here, guys? First I turn on my markers. I just recollab it, and yeah, I just turn on my marker, and I just came in the line, and as you can see, I just scroll down. Here you can see the line type. Here is a linear. So is the linear, I just make it as smoother. So as you can see, my line it's get little bit smoother, guys. Okay, so let's change on the secondary y-axis also. I just collab it, and I come to the secondary y-axis. I make the values of a little bit 20 over here, and I make it, yeah, it's a 20, looks good. I just make it a 15 because this 20 is a little bit higher. I make it as a Cambria, bold, and total black. Okay, I make the title as well. I just do some modifications in title. I make it as a 20. Okay, I make it as a 25 because I have to say more bigger. I just drag it as a Cambria, the bold, and the total black. Okay, guys, so for matching this both, I just make it as a keep it as a 20 as well. Yeah, guys, as you can see, the formatting are completed, guys, and we complete our one more visualization. So just let me change its name. So I keep it changed as a title as well. So I just keep it as a total project cost and total project benefits by year. Okay, so as you can see, guys, my one more visualization I get completed. So we move further, guys. Okay, so guys, like now I have to go here onto the next page of next canvas to show how many projects are there in which phase. Okay, total number in the phases. You understand what I mean? So I have to visualize how many projects are there in which phase, or total numbers of phases, total number of projects according to the phases. Okay, so I can use the funnel chart over here. So where is the funnel chart? Yeah, I just select the funnel chart over here, and I just make it a little drag over here. Okay, so I have to see the phases according to their project's name. So I just drag the project phase into the category and the project name into the values. Okay, so you can see, guys, my funnel charts are ready. So I can do so. Okay, overall in this way we are able to create a visualization here, right? So I am design an axis-less visualization here. Okay, so whatever this design, I copied it from my second visualization, from my tree map. as a previously, I just select my tree map and I just copy the format page, format painter, and I came to my current visualization and just click it over here. Okay, as you can see, my visualization are ready according to my second axis-less visualization, guys. So after doing that, so let's make some extra formatting over here. So for extra formatting, I just click on the format your visualization. I just go to the conversation rate, and I just make it as a 20. So because we have to keep it as a bigger as much as. So after that we do it as a Cambria. The bold and the color will be black. Okay, after completing this, I'll come to the data labels, guys. So data label, I just switch on my background, so it's showing me the background is over here in the number. Okay, after that I came to the categorical label, guys, to do some little more formatting. So I just make it as a 20. As you can see, the categorical label, the visualization is fitting it. Okay, so no issue, as a 20. I make it as a Cambria as well, and the bold and the dark black. Yeah, now it looks perfect. So let's change its title name also, guys, because the count of project name is not looking so great. So I just go to the general and I just select the title name and I just delete it and give to the new title name like total project by phase, by phases. Yeah, by phase, we keep it as a phase. Okay, so as you can see, guys, our one more visualization I get completed. So I just change its name also. I keep it as name as a total project by phase. Yeah, I just click it here and the project the task name has also changed. So overall here we have to cover up so much analysis. Now I would like to create a table here. So guys, if I am creating a table here, I am going to create each data. I can show the data of the project, right? So as per my perspective, there is no need to creating a table here. So like this is an overall visualization being created here. Okay. So guys, I will create only this visualization at this time because I think this much is sufficient of the overall data. Okay. So now I'm going to create one dashboard over here. So I just click here one more time and as I click it as a dashboard. I keep it as a dashboard, BOERT. I make it as a dashboard as well and I just hit enter. Okay guys, as you know, I make the dashboard page over here. Now it's time to combine our all visualization and make the proper dashboards. For that, I just click here and I go to the canvas setting because I have to customize my canvas. I just select the customization. Here I select the 1500 and here I select 3500. Yeah, I think it looks great. So I just do it as a 1700. Yeah, the 1700 by 3500, it looks great. Okay, so now I will come here back. So now one by one I copy paste my all the visualizations over here. I just copy visualization from here and just paste it over here, guys. So I just paste it over, completing the Control V. For that, after completing this, I will do it with all. So for that, okay, so first of all, I will just drag and copy paste all this visualization over here. Then after I will merge it according to my requirements. So I just drag the tree map as well. So it's here. So I just drag it down, width up. I keep it here and I just increase its height. I'm doing merging with the selection. Okay, so it get me the time to do all this visualization at the same. Okay, so I just do it over here. I just drag it over. Yeah, I think okay, I think guys the canvas height is 15 is good. So I just change it again. Yeah, the 15 the height is good guys. So I just keep some gap between all those visualization. So I just keep move it over here and I select the heat map to just drag it. Okay. It's by mistake guys, sorry. So I just copy paste all this visualization. I just copy it once again and just paste it on here. As you can see, I paste it here. So I just move it to here guys. So I just select the heat map and I little bit aligned it. So for this all I make the border also, but this border I give it the last. Okay, so after this we use our line chart, copy paste our line chart as well. So I just copy my line chart over here and drag it and I make it here. Yeah, and lastly the total phases also. So I just right click, copy visualize and just paste it over here. Yeah guys, it's I'll make it little bit shorter so and longer. I just align it properly so it looks great. Yeah. Yeah guys, it looks better now, but I will add a slicer as well, but I will add it on the last because I want to change it little bit. Oh, okay guys, one more time let's do some canvas setting because it's very difficult to guys, we keep it as a 18. Is it okay? Yeah, I think the 18 is okay guys for this canvas setting. You can change according to your requirements, but I think the canvas of 18 is great because it's showing all the visualization in the particular format. So I just drag it over here. I keep it a little bit down and as here also I just extend it down. Yeah. So guys, I just give all the visualization as the border. So for that I go to the generals, I go to the effects and the visual border and the pixel I take it as a 15 guys. So it gives us a nice round shape over here. So I just so I do it with all visualizations. So for that I just switch on it, make it 15. Okay, and with this also I just make it I just switch on it and I make it 15 as well, and with this I switched on 15. Okay, yeah, okay. So I think the visualization is going good guys. So finally I will add the slicer also, but before that I'll just make this a little bit bigger to visualize. So just guys, minute. Yeah, Nice, looks great. Okay, so guys, I will add some cards over here to give the nice finishing with our visualization over here. So for that, I'll just hide it so I can visualize my dashboard so proper. So for that, I will just change once again the canvas setting. I will make it as a 1500 as well. Okay, so it's looking great. So I just remember guys, whenever you creating the proper dashboard, it possible the how many times you are changing your canvas size. Okay, because the final result is want to be the little bit of more attractive. Yeah, sure. Okay, so I just align it as a proper way. Okay, so I just drag it over here till here, and I make it a little more shorter, and I align it here. Okay guys, it looks nice. So for this, I'll just change its little bit of size over here because I have to add the cards over here guys. So for that, I'll just select one card. Sorry, I just press the Ctrl Z and it's done. I just click on the canvas page because if you click on the visualization, the cards add on the visualization. I just click on the canvas page and I just drag it over here. I make it little more custom. So I just add it over here guys. Yeah, it's good. And for this I will do visualization as a here only, so I can copy paste here. So before that, in the field I just give the project name over here, and I just add the custom. Okay, so for here I make it as a categorical value. I make it as a 15 and as a Cambria, and I make it as a bold as well. So guys, the 15 is 40. I think it's a 45.6. Is it good? So I think I'd give it as a 30. Yeah, the 30 is great guys. So it's a fit on this visualization. Okay, so I make it as a completely black. Yeah, it's good, looks nice. So I just copy this and I just paste it over here. So I just paste it over here guys. So yeah, before I delete it once, before I just do some effectings over here. So for effecting, I just switch on the visualize border and make it as a 15 as a previous. Okay, so I can copy it and I just paste it over here. So here, so guys, before that I just change its name. So I just want to do the total projects. So just total projects. Okay, so I think it's done. And for this visualization I can give I can delete it first, and the project cost. Okay, so I just change its name also. I just here I just type at here the total project cost. I just type as a total project cost. Okay, so it's all done. So I want to add minimum 4 guys, 4 I think this name is not getting here. So I just go to the data labels and change it as a 25. I think it 25 fits over here. Yeah, the 25 fits over here. So I just change it. Okay, so I just here and I just copy one more visualization and then paste here only. So I aligned it here, so it looks so nice. I can make it a little bit shorter. Okay, I make it little bit shorter as equal. Okay, so I do one more pasting here, so I can yeah, it's good. So for changing this, I just drag and drop here the project benefits over here. As you can see, I just drop the project benefit and I just change it as a total project benefit, guys. Total project benefits, and I just hit enter. And for this final visualization, I just completion rate. Okay, so just for here, I just give the completion rate over here. So completion rate. Okay, so our visualization is almost done, guys. So for this completion, I just use the slicer over here once more. Okay, so I want to add a slicer because I want to see the according to the department. Okay, so I just click the slicer over here and copy it, this visualization, and just paste it on the top of this slicer. Okay, I just paste it. I don't want to sync this, guys, so I just little bit adjust this dashboard over according to the size. I just add it on the top. Okay, yeah, I think it's great. So I just align it according to the visuals. Yeah, I think it's great here. So yeah, so as you can see, guys, if I selected the department, according to the department, all the visualization are going change. Okay, so this is called as an interactive dashboard. If your dashboard is not interactive, it's just a PPT format, like, guys. Okay, so I just make it a little bit I just do the little formattings, guys, because I just want to see this attractive, little bit attracts. Okay, so just yeah, guys, it looks nice now. I just drag it just little bit. Yeah, guys, now it looks perfect and then very nice. Okay, so for the after completing this, I just, you can see, I can change whatever I want. So here I just add one text box. I just first I can make it as a 60, and I write here as a project management analysis. Project management analysis. So I just do some spelling corrections. Okay, I just hit enter, guys. So not a enter. I just align it. Okay, guys, so it's done. If you want, you can give underline, you can make it as a bold. So I make it as a Cambria, bold, underlined. First select this, guys, and make it as a Cambria. As you can make it as a bold, make it as an underline, okay, as well. Okay, okay, guys, it's done. So I just adjust it adjust. I'm trying to adjust it. Okay, so can, yeah, I think it looks perfect, guys. I just align it little bit more over here. Yeah, it's looks nice, guys. So I just drag the slicer little bit here and I adjust it. Okay, guys, now it looks perfect. Now I want to add one image here, so I just go to the insert and I just click here to the image. Okay, so here you can see I already downloaded the image over here. So as you can see, the image are loading, guys, and by luckily it's already on this format. It find its space already. Okay, so guys, just yeah, as you can see, guys, our analysis are done. So I just worried about it. I just make it a little bit bigger. I make it as a 60. Can I make it? Yeah, I make it as a 66, guys, and it's done. And for that, the selection slicer are get tried. Okay, I just keep it as a 60 only, because the if I increasing this size, the slicer are get hided. Okay, so for once final decision for final merging, yeah, as you can see, guys, our analysis dashboard are completely ready. Okay, so guys, now it's time to publish it. For publishing, I just okay, guys, now it's okay, guys, our dashboard is ready. Now it's time to save this, guys. For saving, just go to the file and just click on the browse this device. Okay, so I already saved this file, guys, but for you saving this file, just type your file name which you have to give. I give the project management analysis. Just type the project management analysis file and just hit OK. Okay, guys, then your file will be saved. Thank you, guys, to keep the patience with me. Okay, and if you like this dashboard, please like and share. Okay, so thank you for your time, guys. Thank you so much.